Did you know that a task as simple as buying gas puts you at risk for identity theft? Or even using an ATM? Criminals are smarter than ever, staying on top of technology and finding new ways to commit crimes. And did you know Florida has the highest per capita rate of identity theft complaints in the country? Here are 5 tips to help you avoid becoming a victim of identity theft. Number 5. Look out for skimmers. These nearly undetectable devices are commonly placed on credit card machines, at gas pumps, and ATMs. Avoid using ATMs. Instead, pay in stores and get cash back at the register. Number 4. Change your usernames and passwords frequently. Number 3. Don't respond to emails, texts, or phone calls with personal information. Number 2. Check your online account balance and transactions often. And the number 1 tip, obtain identity theft protection. Without insurance coverage, recovery is a long, tedious process, and it can take years to clear your name. Although these tips will better protect you, Security First Insurance Company's identity theft coverage includes protection for your family too. Review coverage carefully. Different companies have different levels of coverage. Security First Insurance Company's identity theft protection is $25 per year and includes monitoring services. Our systems work 24/7 to alert you of any unusual activity, stopping criminals in their tracks. For other helpful tips and to learn more, visit securityfirstflorida.com/ID theft.